Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make keema stuffed tomatoes. Here is the list of ingredients. Here I've taken 5 whole tomatoes. I will chop the top portion of the tomato. I'll make a hole inside the tomato and get the pulp out of it. In this recipe, we will also use the pulp which we have taken out of the tomatoes. And I've also preserved the lids of the tomatoes for later use. Here's 500 grams of ground meat or keema, tomatoes, tomato pulp, chopped yellow capsicum, chopped orange capsicum, sliced onions, chopped green onions. Here I have 1/8 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half cup of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's add oil to the pot. We will take 3/4 quantity of the oil. Once the oil is hot, now we'll add the sliced onions to it. Fry the onions until soft and translucent. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Then goes the turmeric powder. Stir well and then add the red chili powder to the pot. Now we will add the tomato pulp to the pot. Mix well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And then we will go ahead and add salt to it. Now we will add the keema to the pot. Mix well and close the pot. Let it cook for about 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 15 minutes of cooking, now we will add the green onions to it. Mix well and then we will add the chopped capsicums to it. Cook until all the vegetables are soft. As the oil starts to separate, now we will add the black pepper powder. Then we will add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and switch off the flame, and then we will add the lemon juice to it. Let it cool down and then we will begin the process of stuffing the tomatoes. So here is the keema, and I have the tomatoes with the lids. And then I am using few wooden toothpicks to seal the tomatoes. It's time to stuff the tomato with the keema. I'm filling it with a generous amount. Let's seal it with the help of wooden toothpicks. Let's repeat this process with the other tomatoes. Heat the remaining oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we will gently place the tomatoes into the pan. Stir fry them on a high flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's lower the flame and cook for 10 more minutes. Flip them accordingly. Keema stuffed tomatoes are now ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.